To make it easy, I recommend you to use computer or laptop because we need to do a payment operation to watch ALLBLK. So you want to sign into your YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. So after that, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click right here on the shop icon. And then at the networks and add-ons, you want to click on all to see all the networks that was available. And then you can just scroll down and find ALLBLK. Right here on ALLBLK, you want to click on it. So you have to add ALLBLK to your YouTube TV membership, where you can get for $7 per month, and you can get the 7-day free trial. So just click on next to complete your purchase with your credit or debit card or even your PayPal. And after you add the ALLBLK to your YouTube TV membership, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click right here on the search icon. And then you can just search for ALLBLK. And then on ALLBLK with this network sign, you want to click on it. And then you can just scroll down and find your favorite ALLBLK movies. You can watch the movies or series from ALLBLK. And you can also add the movie or series that you want to watch on your smart TV by adding them to your library, where you can also skip the ads when you add a show to the YouTube TV library. And then to do it, you can just choose on any movies or series, and then click right here on the three dots, and then click on add with the show name, or you can just click on the movie, and then click right here on this plus icon. And then to check on every show that you add or recorded before, you can just go to your top of your screen and then click right here on the library beside the home page. So on your smart TV, you can just hop into this section without looking into the live guide and enjoy your favorite show. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to watch ALLBLK on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.